I found Loqbox, I had realized that as a person in a new country, by default you've got a really poor credit score. So Loqbox helped me a lot to build my credit score.
Why was building your credit score important to you?
When I moved to the UK though, it was really hard to open a bank account. I remember I had to go to a lot of different banks and they just won't open you a bank account. So when you don't have access to basic things, it makes you feel quite marginalized. You are just a normal citizen that just want to access everyday stuff like everybody else.
Would you recommend Loqbox?
Yeah, I definitely recommend Loqbox because it was a great way to save money and to learn about my credit score.